Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. Well, we have another muggy morning out there with temperatures ranging from the mid-60s to lower 70s throughout much of the region. A little bit of fog here and there, especially around the east end of Long Island. Otherwise, we have scattered cloud cover with southerly winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Take a look at our surface map. You can see pretty much a very weak trough hanging around the region, and that's about it. Now, you see this out here, subtropical depression number 4. Don't worry about that. That's heading out in the Atlantic and won't be a threat. Meanwhile, this cold front, well, that will be a threat, especially for tonight on through tomorrow, with the threat for some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then this cold front's going to stall out, producing another threat for showers on Thursday. So a lot going on, and it's going to remain rather tropical around here. Take a look at our latest satellite picture. You can see pretty much clear skies to scattered cloud cover for most of the region, which isn't influenced by areas of fog, like the east end of Long Island. Otherwise, here's our cold front out here. Now, this cold front will be moving through this evening onto early tomorrow morning. It's not moving during the peak time period for severe thunderstorms. But these thunderstorms, if you get hit by one, will be capable of producing some very heavy downpours and frequent lightning. So just be prepared for that around midnight. If you hear very heavy rainfall falling outside your window, you'll know why. It's that cold front that's moving through. Zoomed in a little bit closer to home, you can see some of those low clouds and fog over the eastern Long Island and southeastern Connecticut. All of this will burn off over the next 2 hours, and we'll be experiencing scattered cloud cover for much of the region, with temperatures rising at a nice steady rate. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Weak trough moves through, an isolated shower of thunderstorms possible in the afternoon. Temperatures rising into the upper 70s to lower 80s on Long Island, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. A few lower 90s if possible in the Philadelphia metro. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, our cold front will be moving through widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, most locations will remain dry, but if you get hit with one of these thunderstorms, they are going to be capable of some very heavy downpours and potentially some flash flooding, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Low temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with the cold front pushing off the coast. Could be an isolated shower or two right along the immediate coast. Temperatures for tomorrow afternoon will rise into the mid-80s. Now on Thursday, another wave of low pressure starts to develop along this frontal boundary in the afternoon hours. That's going to lead to the potential for some scattered showers. Temperatures on Thursday will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. On Friday, all that clears off the coast. High pressure will be in control with clear skies to scattered cloud cover. Lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Highs in the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. On Saturday, the high pressure system starts to exit. We have a warm front approaching, and that's going to lead to increasing cloud cover, but still generally dry on Saturday with an increase in humidity. Lows in the mid to upper 60s. High temperatures range from the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast to upper 80s to mid 90s away from the coast. Now, your best potential for mid 90s is going to be the Delaware River Valley, especially around Philadelphia. You might actually see a heat advisory on that day. Then on Sunday, we have a cold front that's going to be dropping in from the north. Now remember, I talked about this cold front the past couple of days. How far south it gets will have a major impact on our pattern as we move towards 4th of July weekend. So what we see here is this cold front dropping south with the threat for some widely scattered showers on Sunday. Lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. On Monday, the cold front moves through with widely scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. To the north of this cold front, temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid to upper 80s for highs. To the south of the cold front, look for lows in the mid 60s and highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s. On Tuesday, that cold front stalls out. The marine air mass is trying to push south through the region. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs along the immediate coast and mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.